Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today is another building video, and today I'm going to be building the brand new LEGO Toy Story Slinky Dog Bookends LEGO set. Now this set looks absolutely incredible, so before we do go in and open it up and see what it has to offer, please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you do not miss another video, and please like this video. Let's go in and see what this LEGO set has to offer. Honestly, this LEGO set looks absolutely incredible, and the concept of being able to put actual books in the middle is just as cool. You can see it a little bit better putting even more books in the middle. But checking out the information, this is going to be for ages 18 and up. Set number is going to be 43301. 1,311 pieces, and of course it comes with 2 minifigures, Woody, and a really awesome Slinky Dog. You can see the minifigures a little bit better right there. The side of the box also looks extremely cool. But with the LEGO set now flipped around, we're able to see so many other features. Being completely honest, I think I like this feature a little bit more because it shows off Slinky Dog a lot better, and having the books under, because the books are still a really cool addition to this LEGO set. This picture is probably the best example on this box that actually shows what it looks like with some books in it. That's actually a really awesome feature. Then heading down, it's crazy because the books have play features, with I'm assuming you being able to hide the minifigures in it and giving more of a play feature where you can be able to click on it and appear the minifigure. You can also see the size of the LEGO set. It is going to be 17 inches long and 8 inches tall. So now that we know what this LEGO set has to offer, let's go and open it up and check it out. So far we have 9 bags, stickers for both of the books, and lots of instructions. Let's start building this. Well, Slinky Dog is now done, and it looks truly incredible. Now, being completely honest, I'm still kind of determining how I want to display it. If I want to have the books stacked up under it and Slinky Dog put together, but at the same time, having the books in between it looks really cool. But again, with the Lego set now done, I'm able to give my full honest opinion and review on this. And that'll be under 3 categories: pain level, building experience, and the question of would I be building this Lego set again. Starting with pain level, honestly, this Lego set was not horrible. I will say the only thing that really hurt was building what looks like the springs. Those have so many little pieces and you have to click them by squeezing them extremely hard. So honestly, after building it within the last 2 hours, my fingers definitely hurt. But other than that, the books were extremely simple, and the rest of the body was quite simple too. So I'm going to give pain level a 4 out of 10. Then, building experience. Honestly, this Lego set was extremely enjoyable. And I do like to use the word wasn't repetitive. And truly, I do not think this was that repetitive. There were a few spots that I definitely thought, man, this is really repetitive. But truly throughout the entire Lego set, this was not horrible. And also, under building experience, in the books, there's hidden areas where you can put the minifigures in. And honestly, those are so cool. So I'm going to give building experience a 9.5 out of 10. And now for the question of would I be building this Lego set again? Honestly, I really do feel like yes, this Lego set was extremely enjoyable and a really cool experience to be able to build. But for the final thing, putting all those 3 categories together, what is my official rating on this Lego set? I'm going to give that a 9.2 out of 10. This Lego set was so cool and has so many different features to be able to play with the Lego set. But sadly, this is going to be the end of the video, so please subscribe, hit the bell notification on all so you do not miss another video, and please like this video. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys when I post next. Peace.